Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Hanita Mana and I have for you another video on my hibiscus treatment. Yes, and before I proceed to my experience, I would like to share with you the benefits of hibiscus hibiscus plants. Okay, hibiscus is a plant which is widely known for its medicinal and various uses, and one of them is for hair growth, and that's what it has been used for a whole century. It has been used for centuries, and it is actually found in India. Yes, and people have been using it so much. Hibiscus is a plant which is widely known for its several uses, and one of it is for hair growth and hair treatment. Now, so hibiscus has been used for several centuries, and it's still being used today for its amazing properties. It is an Ayurvedic, an Ayurvedic herb, and can be used in conjunction with other herbs like henna and other amla, other herbs. Okay, so now moving on to my hibiscus treatment experience. It was a nightmare, and I would like to share with you some tips and tricks on how to use hibiscus for yourself and what you should and shouldn't do. Now, first off, I was really put off by the stains. I wasn't expecting these things. It was so hard. It really stings. It stings like my fingers. I can still see some stains in my fingers, and it was a messy experience. So I have learned that to use, you have to maybe use. I did it. Now this is my treatment. I used hibiscus powder. I used hot or warm water. You can use warm water, and I used oil. Now I mixed everything together and I applied it to my hair. It turned into a paste. So when I was applying it, there's a video that I can show you how I applied the mask. So I put my hair in sections and I applied the hibiscus throughout my hair, but I realized that it was staining, so I had to get off camera and wash everything. My kitchen was messy, my bath messy and everything. I wasn't expecting that at all. So I believe the next time I will try this, I'll use it in a smaller quantity, but just that I wouldn't use just the hibiscus, hot water and oil. I would mix it with a conditioner to make it less messy and easy to wash. And the second thing I wasn't prepared for was it got stuck in my hair. The grainy substances got stuck in my hair. It was so frustrating, so I had to wash it out, and I was wasting a lot of water too. It was so bad. So I had to quickly wash it out, and still had the little grains in my hair. I don't know if someone has ever used that and experienced such a mess. It was stuck in my hair. It was so difficult to get it out. So I had to go on with my deep conditioning treatment. I went on with it. Then later on, when I blow dried it, I fluffed my hair out. Now with this coral, I'm sure has some kind of a little bit of the grain stuck in my hair, but I'm not so worried. It has changed to, you see, normally hibiscus has a red color, but when it stains or when water is added to it and it stains something, it turns into a bit more like a black something. So I'm not so worried. I got much out of my hair, but I'm sure there is some stuck in my hair, but I'm not so worried. So what I would say is when you have such products in your hair, just fluff it, dry it, blow dry it, and fluff it out. You realize that all the drains and um, the small particles, yes, the small particles starts getting off your hair. So that was one thing. I wasn't expecting that at all. It's a huge setback, and I don't want anyone to experience that. So as I mentioned earlier, if you want a less messy treatment, you add it with your favorite conditioner, whatever conditioner you can find. You mix it with it, then you apply it. That would make the hibiscus much less to manage the entire, the actual hibiscus. Now I did mention that I washed it immediately. I put it in my hair. Now my hair really received the product, but I believe I had too much. I had to throw most of it away. So, and the reason why I also washed it immediately is because I was starting to have some kind of burnt or inflammation on my scalp. Yes, I just remember. Do not put the hibiscus on your scalp. Put it on your hair, the shaft and the length of your hair. Please, oh, please, don't make the mistake I did. I put it. I didn't touch my scalp, the entire scalp, but I did touch my hair. But I believe this side of mine got in contact with the hibiscus, and I was feeling this kind of tinkling sensation, so I had to wash it off. But apart from that, I have no problem with hibiscus. Just even with that small application, I could really feel that my hair was, it gave my hair really good definition. I was surprised. It made my hair so soft just with one application. So I would really recommend that people actually do it, but be very cautious that it stings. Maybe you could get some tingling sensation or some irritation. When you realize that, you just wash it off and move on to your conditioning sections or whatever you have in mind. And I believe that is it. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share your comment. I would really want to find out from other people how they felt about the hibiscus treatment in their hair, how they tackled it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Now I would also don't forget to follow me on social media as well. And until next time, be safe, be wonderful, and enjoy the rest of the day. Until next time, bye.